Hi guys, so we are here at a Bolivian hat factory, okay? The lady is selling over here. Here in Ecuador, they use dollar as their currency. So a hat like this over here is $150, okay? This one is $60. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. This is for the table.
They will take about 95
Very nice.
sacks. So each sack's $4. So they're going to have earnings.
This is so you can scrub yourself.
All
Guys, all this raw material, it starts over here with the plant. Como se llama essa planta? Cabuya. Cabuya. Okay, and then they can make this manually, guys, to strip the cord. Okay, see, that's how they do it. They do like that. Okay. Sí, esse é o processo empieza aqui. Tiene assim, mira. Guys, this is the raw material that they use to make all these products that they have over here. So this comes from a plant. And they make the raw material over here. See, that's the plants that they use. Okay. Then from here, okay, after it is filled, okay, we use this over here to make, okay. Okay. So now you make the bag over here. Okay. And it goes over there. Okay? And then after that you can make the product. So that's the process, okay? Then you have this bag over here, guys, that they make for coffee. E que mais usam para quê? Para cacau, café. Okay, tudo isso. Guys, another thing that they make is this loofah over here to take a shower. Okay, that's very good. Okay. Guys, I bought this one over here. That's to take a shower for your skin. Right? Very good. What is your name? Ginny. Ginny, very good. Thank you. Guys, the beauty of this material over here, because it's ecological, okay, you can drop that in the ocean and not a problem.
As you can see, you buy there the fish and you bring it to this one of the last shipyards where they fix and they build ships in this way, by hand. There was, let me remember, but they have it here in Manta, or they bring it from Puerto Viejo, from inland.